Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Starting off on the warm side this Monday morning with some clouds out in the area. Do have a few isolated showers in the region and expecting some shower and thunderstorm activity once again later this evening, as the Storm Prediction Center does have us under a slight risk of a chance of seeing some stronger storms to severe storms this evening as those showers and storms push through. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We have an area of low pressure over the Great Lakes with a cold front trailing down to the south that will start to move towards our area as we go through the day today, bringing some showers and storms out ahead of that cold front as we go into the evening hours. This evening going to be supported by an upper level trough kind of moving along with that system to help support some of the potential for stronger storms as we go into the evening. If we look at current conditions, we have a scattered deck around 12,000 feet, broken at 18,000 and broken at 25,000. Winds are light out of the southwest at 5 knots with a temperature of 82 degrees and the relative humidity at 79%. If we look at the local radar, we could see, keep an eye on a few of these showers just off to the southwest, just outside of 25 nautical mile range. We'll be keeping an eye on those. They seem to be losing a little bit of energy, so just a slight chance of maybe seeing a light shower pass through and about a 20% chance maybe of seeing some lightning. But right now, nothing has produced lightning as of yet. If we look at the current visible satellite, we can see just plenty of clouds across the region and this little area of cloudiness moving over our region. Could see basically on and off cloud cover as we go through today. A few breaks possible with some things warming up, but we'll continue to keep clouds moving in and out of the area as we go through the day today. And then again, clouds building in ahead of those showers this evening. If you look at the short-term high-resolution model, see how things play out again as we go through the morning hours. Just had those few showers to contend with. The model kind of picking up on that here, and then those move out of the area. We remain dry throughout much of the work day, and then as we get towards the late afternoon, evening hours, this is 1800 local, we start to see some scattered convection start firing off ahead of the front. And we'll see that start to push into the area past that 1800 local time frame and continue through the overnight. Could see, again, this would be kind of scattered convection, so could see a storm completely miss us, but also could see a pretty good chance of a decent downpour again with that slight risk of seeing some severe weather. We do have that potential for a stronger storm, mainly with a stronger wind gust being the main threat that we're concerned with these storms. But as we go into the morning hours of Tuesday, we start to see that activity taper down and move off the coast, and we'll see that boundary start to stall off just off to the southeast. And we should remain dry as we go through the day on Tuesday. And then as we get into the evening hours, we do have a slight chance of seeing maybe an isolated shower or storm pushing through. This will likely hold off until the evening time frame. Very slight chance this moves in late afternoon, early evening. But again, right here, we're looking at about 21 local as this few showers just start to push through the area. And then we see that wrap up as we go into Wednesday morning. And Wednesday looks to be mainly dry, but we will continue to be under this kind of summer-like pattern where we have the chance of that afternoon pop-up shower or storm, potentially along a sea breeze front during the afternoon. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we have that yellow chance for precip and lightning this morning, mainly due to those few showers just off to the southwest moving through the area. We see light southwesterly breeze picking up a little bit to around 9 to 14 knots as we get into the afternoon hours. We'll see temperatures warming up to around 91 degrees this afternoon. We do pick up that yellow risk for heat index values up at or above 100 degrees, as we will see those heat index values getting likely just below that 100-degree mark, around 97 to 98 degrees during the warmest time of the day. But as we go into the evening hours past that 1800 local time frame, we pick up that increasing chance of some showers and storms moving through the area, looking about a 50% chance we see a shower storm moving through, continuing into the evening and overnight hours. We'll see that start to wrap up as we get towards the 3 a.m. time frame. Again, with that good chance of some showers and storms and that potential for some stronger storms embedded in there, with the main threat being those stronger wind gusts. And as we get into the morning hours, we'll see things cooling down to around 74 degrees and As we start our day tomorrow, we'll see southwest light winds 5 to 10 to 7 to 12 knots. Tides are running normal at the moment. If we look at our Tuesday, again, green across the board for weather risk. We have that very slight chance of a shower or storm that will mainly be later if a shower storm tries to pop up and sneak in before the evening hours, but otherwise partly cloudy with a high around 89. Going into Tuesday evening, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy conditions with that slight chance of a shower or storm early on. So we do have that yellow risk for precip and lightning, but a low around 74 degrees. And as we go into Wednesday, we'll see partly cloudy conditions, and we have that slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon with a high around 87. So continue that yellow risk for precip and lightning for our Wednesday. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.